In 1776, Benjamin Franklin faced a peculiar challenge. Amidst the chaos of the American Revolution, he needed a quiet place to draft the Declaration of Independence. Distracted by the bustling streets of Philadelphia, Franklin sought refuge in a peculiar location, a bell tower. High above the city, he found the silence he craved. As the bells tolled, he penned words that would shape a nation. Who would have thought a bell tower could be a sanctuary for such monumental work? Franklin's focused environment led to a document that changed history. Imagine if he had been distracted.